to change from light mode to dark mode in Excel. Let's learn few ways to do that. Upon opening Excel by default, it comes in this way. But to change this, you need to go to File, select Account, and here you can change a theme. Alternatively, you can still go here, go to Options, then you scroll down, the theme is still here, or you can choose to use the system. But you can see that although everything, the pay all look dark, but the sheet is still white. How do we change the sheet to dark as well? So to do this, you have to go to Page Layout. You click on Background. Here you have the ability to do things. If we need to insert a picture inside here. If you already have the picture, you can just select wherever you save it on your machine, bring it here. If you don't have it, you can always search one from the net. So I can just search black. Now it's going to look through and search me anything black. I can choose any of them that I wanted. But you should always remember that the font color is always black at default, so anything you type here, you should always change it back to white. So you can see that the texts are there but they are not visible. So to do this, click here and select the whole sheet. Now you change these to white. So now everything works in a reverse way. Before the sheet was white, then the text was black. Now the text is white and the sheet is black. That is the only way you can go by it. And what if you are done with all this and you don't want it back? The same way you apply it, you can just go by and undo it. So you still go back to Page Layout, then you delete this, and automatically it's back to white. You go to File, you go to Account, you choose the white, and automatically everything is back to normal. So if you like videos like this, like, subscribe for more videos.